After leaving the plants and the aquarium at home well taken care of, we've come to the beach and while strolling on the sand, I met a frogman.
Hey pal, are we going for a dive? Did you bring your diving suit?
Oh yes man, here it is. The only problem is this suit doesn't fit me anymore. You should know that neoprene tends to shrink with time. And this suit has over 50 years, it's over 50 years old. So I tried it on and it wouldn't fit. Additionally, I have also grown a bit. So it simply didn't fit. But I thought, I have to be able to fix it. I'm not going to buy another suit. So I cut off the neck, the hood, I cut off the sleeves, and I measured how wide open it was with my new body. 17 centimeters down here, 12 centimeters up here. These 17 centimeters, I went half and half. 8 over here, 8 over here, and I marked half of 12 over here and 6 over here. And using the curve of the belly, I cut out these strips for each side. And I stuck them on, as you can see there. And this is our starting point. We leave it there for half an hour, then we do the rest. I like to do this in steps. First one section, then continue with the rest. Not all in one go. This suit is very useful for me because it floats very well. It helps me to float and I don't have to do such a lot of exercise and effort in the water to be afloat. Additionally, it's very warm and these Pacific waters are very cold. So I want to make use of this suit, although it won't be useful for me to any skin diving anymore. Let's see how it fits. How's that? Does it fit well? Perfect. Nice, tight. It'll let water go through and it's not too tight that it might rip or anything. Now let's go to the water.
Come on, woman! There are too many ways.
Marita, sácate el motivo.
Well, that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.